The India Today group is formally launching its initiative to clean India with a unique concept termed Safai Giri. The campaign being initiated today as a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi on his 67th death anniversary will include a series of initiatives over a year aimed at carrying forward the message of cleanliness that was first encouraged by the Mahatma and then pushed by the Narendra Modi government.
If cleaning India were that easy, we wouldn't ask for your help. To bring this change, we need you. If you've been the change India wants to see, it's time for you to share your story with us so that we can share it with the world.
This is our message, asking entire India to join in for a mission which is arguably one of our most critical needs, making India a cleaner place to live in.
Safai Giri has begun. Join us today.
The India Today Group's Safai Giri initiative being launched today is meant as a homage to the Mahatma and to carry forward the task handed out by the Prime Minister. PM Modi has nominated India Today Chairman Arun Puri and the entire group to carry forward the Swachh Bharat initiative.
मैं आज अरुण पुरी और इंडिया टुडे ग्रुप के पूरे देश के उनके सभी साथियों को निमंत्रित करता हूं।
As part of this initiative, the India Today group will carry out a nationwide campaign by asking citizens to submit pictures and videos of their efforts. This is aimed at encouraging a healthy competitiveness in making neighborhoods cleaner than before across India. These efforts would be showcased across our television platforms as a national recognition of their efforts.
We will spread your message and reward the champions with the Safai Giri Award.
But that is not all. Innovative measures being taken by people to clean their surroundings would be shortlisted, with the best being awarded at an award function. The group also aims to launch a series of other campaigns, including using our animation series So Sorry to popularize the concept of Safai Giri. The group will also carry forward its own initiative of raising funds to build toilets in girls' schools across India. Launched in 2014 at the India Today Conclave in association with the World Toilet Organization chief Jack Sims and Bollywood star Salman Khan, an amount of approximately Rs 77 lakhs was raised. This will be used to build 700 toilets, of which 118 have been built. Construction of 348 more toilets is underway. The initiatives of the India Today Group, led by its galaxy of leading anchors, now aims to convert Safai Giri into a national movement and to encourage public participation by regularly highlighting good work.
Safai Giri has begun. Join us today.